Welcome to Bike Shift, your trusted destination for the latest motorcycle updates and future-ready two-wheelers. Today's video takes a close look at the 2026 Bajaj Discover 125, a commuter motorcycle that aims to balance fuel efficiency, comfort, and modern styling for everyday riders. Bajaj has refreshed the Discover lineup to meet the needs of urban and semi-urban commuters who want reliability with a touch of innovation. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 comes with a cleaner and more contemporary design while staying true to its practical commuter roots. The fuel tank features sharper lines with new graphics that give the bike a fresher road presence. Updated body panels, a redesigned headlamp unit, and subtle chrome or matte accents add a premium feel. The overall look remains simple and functional, making it suitable for daily office rides as well as longer weekend journeys. At the heart of the 2026 Discover 125 is a refined 125 cubic centimeters engine designed for smooth and efficient performance. This engine focuses on delivering strong low and mid-range torque, making city riding effortless even in heavy traffic. Bajaj has tuned the motor for improved mileage, which is one of the key strengths of the Discover brand. The bike is expected to offer excellent fuel efficiency while maintaining reliable performance for daily use. Comfort has always been a highlight of the Discover series, and the 2026 model continues that tradition. The long and well-cushioned seat ensures a relaxed riding posture for both rider and pillion. The suspension setup is tuned to handle rough roads and speed breakers with ease, providing a stable and comfortable ride. Upright handlebars and well-positioned foot pegs reduce fatigue, especially during longer commutes. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 is expected to feature a semi-digital instrument cluster with essential ride information such as speed, fuel level, and trip details. Modern safety and convenience updates, including improved braking performance and efficient lighting, enhance overall usability. Bajaj's focus on durability and low maintenance remains a strong point for budget-conscious riders. The 2026 Bajaj Discover 125 is likely to be positioned as an affordable and fuel-efficient commuter motorcycle, making it attractive for students, office commuters, and first-time buyers. With its balanced performance, comfortable ride, and trusted Bajaj reliability, the Discover 125 continues to be a smart choice in the 125 cubic centimeters segment. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more updates, detailed reviews, and the latest news from the world of motorcycles.